Watch your spacing on the left. Okay, hold it right there. Brake set.
Crane control, Bay 3. We are locked on, commencing lift.
Roger that. Bay 3, clear the zone.
Lower the lift. Clear on the left. Ready for the cross member. Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Just a hair more to the right. Got the pin ready.
It's lined up, sending the shackle home.
Great work on the Cascadia run, team. Frame checks are perfect. Let's keep the momentum for engine marriage.
Okay, bring it up slowly.
Watch the laser alignment on the right side. Clearance is good. Set the U-bolts.
Bring it down easy. Watch the clearance on the right. Looks aligned, coming onto the mounts now.
How far can this truck G on one fill-up? Over 2,000 miles without stopping.
The heart arrives. How many parts in this engine?
Over 1,200 individual components working in perfect harmony.
The marriage.
The truck shifts itself faster and smoother than any human could.
How much water does this hold? 12 gallons of coolant to keep the 500-degree engine from melting. All connections secure on this bank.
Confirmed. ECU mounting complete.
What happens if these run out of air? The truck has a secondary backup tank just for the brakes. Next, getting the boots on.
Why so many buttons? The driver controls 80,000 pounds with just their fingertips.
Is it a bedroom or a cockpit? It's both. 72 inches of living space for the long haul. Home on the road.
How do you cook on a truck? With an integrated kitchen that rivals a small studio apartment.
Down, down, steady.
What holds the house to the frame? 4 massive airbags that act like the truck's shock absorbers.
Locked. Lower it slowly now, easy. Clear on the left side. All right, lock it down, check the gaps.
Alignment perfect.
Do these really save fuel? They save over $1,500 in diesel every single year. Okay, paint thickness holding steady at 140. Panel gaps are tight. Looks perfect here.
How much can a 1 millimeter mistake cost? Up to $2,000 a year in wasted tires. Thrust angle is within 0.05 tolerance.
Parallelism verified.
Calibrating suspension height to 1,050 millimeters. Is it just air? It's ionized air that prevents dust from ever sticking to the frame again.
Engine diagnostics clear, fuel level verified at 10%.
Copy that. Approaching the vibration sequence.
Verify all fluid levels and begin data download.
No leaks visible on the undercarriage. Move to the engine block.
Is it just for looks? The wax actually helps the truck move through the air faster, saving fuel.
Great job, everyone.
Over 400 trucks roll off this line every single day.
Clear to move back.
Chains are stowed.
Beginning the inspection now.
Congratulations on the new Cascadia. It's a beauty. Here are the keys.
Thank you. I can't wait to get her on the road.